You videoing yet?
Yeah. You're all filthy, huh?
Man, what? Oh my god. Monte, oh my god, Monte. What? Oh my god. Man, what, Monte? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Man.
Oh my god.
These guys are crazy.
That was for you, medic.
Oh my god, man. Here we go.
Man, what?
Oh my god. Here we go, baby.
That's wimpy.
That's soap, dude. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh, is this gonna hurt? I don't know. You've done it before. Take that. What, the soap tastes different in Wisconsin?
Oh! Great. Oh my god. Man, what? Man, what? Oh my god. Oh my god, man, what? Oh my god. You see that? Joel is dancing. Oh my god, man, what? Oh, there's Titus's thing for his foot, his wrap, his ankle wrap. Came off of the tire. Oh, ma, easy. Yeah, Joel.
That's black! That's it!
Where's that double wash?
Man, what? Oh my god.
Reagan, sweet, dude. We are so coming.
Hey, did that hurt, Joel?
No, drive forward. Oh yeah.
The dryer.
Right. That's it. That's stupid. No dryer.
Man, Jeep is all brand new now.
I'm not.
Jeep is brand new. Look at that. Jeep is brand new.
We gotta go. We gotta go back and get more money and do the $8 one. That one's like freaking lame. It's bad, dude. That like hurt my eye, like my eyelid.
I'm modest. Sticking to my fat body.
Was that fun, Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, the blast. Joe won the wet t-shirt.
Hey, now it's you and I, Florence. Man, your thing is all moist.
You're the one who did that. Who told you not to get it muddy or dirty? Let's see. No, I'm joking. Okay, I'm fixing to.
Did you see that? Did you see my brethren accuse me?
Did you see
wrong?
that? Did you see that? I'm peeing my pants.
I told you that was fine, dude.
Dude, that'd be so nasty.
So I'm just messing with you. It's okay.
That's pretty good.
That's a wrap.